Welcome back to Markets in a Minute, where we go over the stock market highlights from today in about 1 minute so you can know your money. Today is April 30th, and today wraps up the best April in the stock market in the last 82 years. It's also one of the best months in the last 3 decades. The S&P 500 is up 12.7% this month. This is a little surprising considering everything going on with social distancing, stay-at-home orders, and not to mention 30 million people filed for unemployment. Moving on, Apple announced earnings today after market. They beat their earnings estimate, but their revenue remained flat from last year. Also, the company did not offer any guidance for their earnings for next quarter. So after market, they're down 2.5% because of this. Next up is Amazon. Amazon also announced their earnings today after market. They missed on their earnings, and this is pretty surprising considering people have been thinking Amazon has been doing really well with the coronavirus because everyone's staying at home and ordering stuff online. But they missed their earnings estimate, and they also announced that they're planning to spend all of their second quarter profits on coronavirus response. So after market, they're down around 5%. Next up is Gilead Sciences, and this is the company that's working on the coronavirus treatment drug that we've all been hearing about. They announced that they're going to be spending $50 million to test and manufacture coronavirus drug candidate remdesivir, the one we've been hearing about in the news. Next up is the airline industries. United Airlines says that the coronavirus pandemic is the worst crisis in the history of aviation. That's a pretty big statement. Airline stocks have been up this week a little bit on the news from the coronavirus treatment drug, but today they took another hit and they're all down around 5% during market and then another 2% after market hours. Delta was down 5%, United as well. Anyways, those are the stock market highlights for today. Don't forget to join our Power of Finance Investors group in the link down below. Get your 2 free stocks valued up to $1,400 when you sign up for the Webull investing app. 1 free stock when you sign up for Robinhood. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like the video down below, leave a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.